Hi there, it's me, Rebecca. As always, me and my monster mate Murphy have got some amazing new arty ideas to share with you. And all you'll need to do is raid the recycling to find the best boxes, tubes and bottles to reuse. Now, has anyone seen a big, hairy, multicoloured monster around here?
Hey, that gives me a monster idea!
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a paper plate octopus. For this monster make, we'll need coloured card, a paper plate, paint and stickers. Take the paper plate and paint it blue.
But you can paint yours any colour you like.
Now while the paint dries, we'll make some wiggly octopus arms. We need 8 of them.
Wiggly wiggly!
Next, we have to carefully cut out the shapes. Murphy, can we use some of your monster magic, please?
Absolutely! Here it comes!
If you don't have monster magic, always ask a grown-up for help when using scissors. Now fold the dry paper plate in half. And then glue the wiggly legs inside. Let's add stickers for decoration.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky!
And some more for eyes. Finally, draw on a smile. There we have it! A paper plate octopus, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time!
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a card tube alien. For this we'll need a card tube, coloured paper, paint and stickers. Let's start by painting the card tube. I think I'll give our alien blue skin with this blue paint.
You got it! Painty, painty, monster painty! Hey, 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 hey!
While we leave that to dry, let's use this yellow paper and draw 2 arms with 3 fingers on each hand. On this red paper, we can draw a smiley mouth. Now we can cut these shapes out.
Here comes some monster magic!
Ask a grown-up to help you with scissors at home. Let's glue on the arms. And mouth. Finally, let's decorate! This sticker will be perfect for one big alien eye. And finally, let's use these pointy stickers for teeth.
Sticky, sticky! Oh, I do like pointy monster teeth!
There we have it. One card tube alien all finished.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye! Hi everyone, Rebecca here. Me and my friend Murphy love making all things arty.
That gives me a monster idea!
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a tissue box robot. So for this monster make we'll need an empty tissue box, pom-pom balls, bottle lids, stickers, paint and a paper straw. Let's start by painting our tissue box.
Hey, great idea! Painty, painty, monster painty! Hey, 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 hey!
Once the tissue box is dry, fold the paper straw in half and use glue to stick it to the top of the box.
Sticky, sticky, sticky!
And glue pom-poms to either end of the straw. Let's also glue bottle lids to the front of the box for eyes and the sides for ears.
Now, give this lots and lots of dots!
These can be the robot's buttons and control panels. Now let's add some stickers to finish the eyes.
Yeah, googly!
A terrific tissue box robot. What a brilliant idea, Murphy.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!